my long-tailed beauties! The place is as good as ours!
Despite all our efforts, the rats were steadily gaining ground. It was difficult to see what we could do to stop them.
Burley! Burley! Burley!
There is nothing like a weasel!
If only the weasels hadn't left the park, things might have been different.
I enjoy being a weasel!
Their search for a new home had led them directly into the path of terrible danger.
Stop it, Measley. What are you sharpening your teeth for?
If we're attacked by wildcats again or any kind of monster, I'll be ready. Do I look as vicious as a stoat? Weasel! Help! Help!
Have you quite finished?
Oh, you're gorgeous, gorgeous. The best weasel ever.
Careful with those sharp teeth, twerp! It spat! What did? I think it was a fish. Nah. It did! It spat! Nah, never did. Did I tell you?
Oh, this is easily the best place I've found so far.
I found it.
I told you where to look.
Well, I'll say this. No wildcats.
Check,
No donkeys.
check.
No gooses.
Just weasels. Oh.
Oh, get off!
Hello, Rollo.
You always manage to find us.
You're amazing. What a nose you must have.
Oh, my nose isn't so good. Not really. It's just that weasels are smellier than old cheese.
Ha!
You're easy peasy to find. Did I say the wrong thing? Oh!
I'll only ever say this once, Rollo, that you're an excellent weasel dog.
Oh, how wonderful!
Isn't life wonderful? I can't imagine bringing up my little ones in that dreadful White Deer Park. Cooped up all the time. Always someone complaining about your behaviour. No, we'll never go back there again. There is nothing like a weasel. I enjoy being a weasel. It spat. Never did.
Hello, Dash, matey. I brought a friend to cheer you up.
A rat never cheered up anybody. Quite the opposite.
I'm not a rat.
He's not, you know.
I'm a long-tailed person. It's official. Fox says so.
You're the rattiest rat-faced rat that ever squeaked.
I've got whiskers, same as you. He didn't bring me along to cheer you up anyway. I'm just here for moral support, aren't I, matey? He brought him to cheer you up.
Oh, hello, Hercule.
Hello, hairy friend. Can I help?
You're kind. Very, very kind to bother yourself with a miserable little harebrained hair.
I'm not as kind as you think, actually. I've been hiding from my mole friend all morning. It's unkind, I know, but he irritates me more all the time.
She's been here for days, moping about Plucky.
Nothing's the same here without him. He was my best friend. We had races. The fleetest of foxes he was. Hercule, let's have a race.
What? Me? Oh, well,
It's no use. I just can't run any faster than trees.
Go on then. Cheer her up. Do something.
I don't usually do anything. I just stand about being kind. It usually has some effect.
Here it is having some effect.
You're quite right, Hercule.
Am I?
What's the use sitting here crying my eyes out and doing nothing? If I want to see Plucky again, I have to do something about it. And this is what I'll do. I'll let the same thing happen to me that happened to him. I'll let the humans capture me.
No, matey, that's a daft idea.
Daft.
Inadvisable, I think.
They'll put me in a box and take me where they took him. I bet they will. Yeah!
Where'd she go?
Don't be daft! Dash, matey! Come back, matey!
Found you!
Oh, dear.
Oops! Sorry, matey.
Outrageous toad. We were sleeping.
Adder, you've got to help. It's Dash. The humans get herself captured to find Plucky. Happening now.
Did you understand that?
I don't know how, but yes.
So did I. And I couldn't care less.
Look here, Adder. You ought to be ashamed of yourself. You should care. Here's me teaching my mate Spike here all about the principles of the animals of Farthing Wood.
Sorry, I'm sure. But there's not enough Farthing Wood animals left to care about.
There's me for a start. Oh, you're as bad as that snooty old owl was. Worse.
Owl? Yes, Owl. My old friend Owl. I do miss her. Look, sinuous. I'm becoming emotional. Can you tell?
No.
Yes, if she were back again, I might feel otherwise. I'm sure I would.
Get back inside the tree.
But
Get back inside.
I just wanted to.
Inside! Oh, how sad. How very sad.
I do love you.
Oh, so you keep saying.
You're upset. I can tell. I'm very sensitive for a rook. I'll comfort you, shall I?
Well, actually, I am a bit upset. This place here, I'm almost sure it's Farthing Wood, my original home. But the humans have covered it in their hutches. This is the last tree left, and it's like me, old and tatty.
Oh, no. You're a wonderful specimen of an owl.
Thank you. No, this can't be Farthing Wood. It can't be. It can't be! Will you stop following me?
I love you.
Sanctuary. Please go away.
I adore you.
Go and strangle a worm, why don't you?
I'm lonely.
I'll just be here, sleeping. You know where to find me. Owls sleep during the day, you know. Shoo!
I'll go and find a worm to strangle then.
Please do. Strangle a worm. Farthing Wood. You're a nice big male owl, aren't you?
Psst!
Huh?
Psst! You, bird! Psst! Just thought I'd tell you about the cat. They've got one.
Have they indeed? Goodbye.
Yes, we're off.
Do excuse me, but I am trying to sleep.
Don't worry. I've heard about a place. An animal sanctuary where the rats are taking over. It's going to be a regular rat paradise, apparently. I'm a rat, you know. Please yourself.
No! Be careful! Stop! Please be...
Right, settle down, everybody. Is everyone here?
Sorry I'm late, Fox. We found a bee, didn't we, Mossy?
Later, Hercule, thank you. We have important matters to discuss.
Something's got to be done, mateys.
As you all know, there have been a large number of disappearances in White Deer Park, and Dash has discovered that it is the humans who are doing this. Now, I'm sure, quite sure, that this isn't as bad as it looks.
But why is he doing it?
Perhaps he's turned nasty.
The warden is responsible for this, and I don't believe he would harm any of the animals. Now, today, Dash has gone off to get herself captured by the humans quite deliberately in order to get to the bottom of this mystery.
She wants to be with my cow, Plucky. Poor Plucky.
And I hope she finds him, of course. But once she's behind those walls, she's disappeared herself, hasn't she? So that doesn't help us here. Vixen, however, has an idea that will help us.
Whistler.
Me? What can I do?
Quite simple, Whistler. You can fly.
Fly, yes. It's landing I have trouble with.
The next time the van comes to fill up with animals, you follow it. Find this mysterious place Fox has told you about and have a look inside.
Then come back and tell us what you've seen.
I was just thinking this morning, I'm getting awfully old. I'm not up to adventures of this kind. Really, I'm not.
Whistler, I'm surprised at you.
I'm sorry, but I get tired. What about the time you airlifted us across that motorway thing, eh? You even carried Adder.
A horrible experience.
I was so much younger then, you see.
I don't want to seem unkind, but you must go. You must.
Yes, all right, I'll go.
That's settled then.
Hooray! Oh, we thought we'd seen the last of you, matey.
Would you believe it? They wouldn't take me. I hopped around their feet, but they just ignored me.
Have they left the park yet?
They were about to. A moment ago, yes.
Go on, Whistler.
Yes, all right, I'm going. But if I crash and you'll never see me again, I hope you'll be sorry.
It's me.
I can see that.
Have a nightmare, did you?
Oh, I must have, yes.
Was I in it?
Yes.
I dream about you all the time.
Look, you stupid bird. Can't you see I'm trapped in here?
Trapped?
The window, it fell shut. I'm trapped. Oh.
I'll save you. I'll get you out.
Fancy a chat?
Who's there?
I hardly ever get a chance to chat with anyone half as refined as you seem to be. What shall we chat about?
What are you?
I shall remain concealed. If you see me, you won't want to chat with me.
Yes, of course I will.
No, you won't.
Oh, I assure you I will.
Meow.
You meowed. did.
All right, then. Lovely talents. Very sharp, I'm sure.
Thank you. Yes.
Why exactly did he do that, if you don't mind me asking?
He's trying to help me escape from here.
Oh, there's no way out. No, no. This window is jammed tight. Sometimes, after I've committed one of my indiscretions, you know, on the carpet, they lock me in here, and I've never found a way out.
Oh, dear. I wonder if... I wonder if you could clear something up for me. This place around here, it is Farthing Wood, isn't it? I used to live here, you see.
What? You? Lived around here?
It was all trees when I lived here. Farthing Wood.
No, you must have the wrong place. This house is called Farthinghurst, if that's any help. I know. Perhaps there was a wood here before they built the houses.
I'm glad I asked.
I'd tell him not to if I were you.
Stop! Don't try again. You'll only hurt yourself.
I could watch him all day. It's better than catching sparrows.
What's that?
Oh, that will be the smallest boy. He plays up here. Or if he's committed an indiscretion, they lock him in. Look, I hate to do this to you, but I'm off. They'll say I brought you in. I'm always bringing things in, and it's an indiscretion.
Yes, but where can I hide?
Ma! Ma! There's a vulture in the attic!
I'm too old for this. I'm exhausted already. Oh dear. Here we go.
Whistler! Whistler! Hello there!
There. Oh, I said I'd crash. I did. Didn't I say?
Whistler, are you all right?
Plucky! It can't be. Plucky, wait till I tell the others.
I've seen you make some dodgy landings, old friend, but that was the worst.
I was tired. I'm terrible when I'm tired. Oh! I don't understand. What's going on? What is this place?
Isn't it obvious? It's an animal sanctuary, same as White Deer Park. The humans must have reckoned there were too many of us over there, so they've brought some of us in here.
Oh, I see. Of course.
It's a super place. Guess what? I'm Chief Fox. Tell my grandfather, will you? I'm Chief Fox, just like him.
Yes, I'll tell him. You're all right then.
Couldn't be better. I do miss all my friends, of course. Dash, especially. That's why I ran up just now. I hoped they might have caught her. Doesn't look like it, though. I'll escape soon. Just you wait.
Ha! Foxy's trying to put together a plan to help all the animals kidnapped from White Deer Park escape back home again. That's why I'm here, to look things over.
I don't need any help. I'll escape all by myself, thank you. But the others, there's so many.
Are you flying back?
Sorry?
To White Deer Park?
Yes, in a minute I will.
I must get back. My mate, he's useless without me.
Well,
Tell Dash I'm faster than ever. Tell her we'll race again soon.
I'll catch the next one. Ma! Ma!
Get away! How many times have I told you not to shout? Ah! Wait till I find that cat. He's always bringing things in. It's downstairs, Mom! Where is it? Ah, gotcha. Oh, no. Get up into the attic and stay there.
Phew. How is he?
Not too good. He's very old and moth-eaten, you know.
I know.
It's you. You're safe.
I managed to escape by myself. But thank you for helping. You were very brave.
I love this owl. I can't help myself.
I'll look after him now. He'll be all right, I'm sure. After a long rest.
Yes, I do hope so.
He's my mate, you see.
I didn't know he had one.
He's always off after owls. He's always been the same.
I see. Well, there you are then.
That day in the bell tower, when I first saw you, I filled up with love.
I'd better be off. I'm quite worn out myself, actually.
I hope you find him, your nice big owl mate. But he'll never love you half as much as I do.
I'll look after him.
Yes, and be sure you do. I've grown quite fond of him.
He's a dear, isn't he?
Can it be the Great Beach? That silly cat was right. This is Farthing Wood. I really am home. Home at last.